Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in to Gadget, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to talk about the RingConn Gen 2 Smart Ring. Now this has a ton of improvements over the first gen, and it's actually one of the top, if not the best smart ring in the market today for several reasons. One reason I can mention right now is that there are no subscription fees after purchasing this ring and to take advantage of all of its features. So no in-app subscription fees to use all the features that are built into the application to take full advantage of all of the offerings this ring has to offer. Speaking of the app, you're able to do a lot of merit tracking, anywhere from heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, activity monitoring, and sleep monitoring. Now there is one other monitoring feature that this ring is the first of its kind to have that no other smart ring in the market has, which is sleep apnea monitoring. Now it is accurate up to 90.7%, which is saying a whole lot for a ring to be the first of its kind to have, which is pretty awesome. Now stay tuned as we have a deeper dive at the RingConn Gen 2 Smart Ring right after this. Before I forget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it out, as it truly does help out my channel. Let's jump right inside the box. Lift this up here. There you have it. Extremely light. This ring is extremely light. Some documentation here. Charge case. No power brick, just so you know, but it is the braided Type C to Type C. Open up the box, and to charge the ring, just drop it in here. Make sure the contact parts are facing the pins there. Drop it in. As you see, it's charging. Nice and handy. Charge port is right in the back. Very easy to use. Let's see if it fits this finger here. It doesn't seem like it's going to fit, so it will have to go on my pinky. It's comfortable, extremely light. Let's take it off. So if you look closely, you can see the sensors. And once you put it on, the sensors are activated, which brings me to the app. Now, some of these are not my accurate readings, and that's because I let some people try out the ring, and of course the numbers will change. Now, when you look at the wellness balance, if you tap here, it's nice to look at this because you can see what is actually good or what things need to be improved. So nice little breakdown there. And I think that's really cool that it's added. You can go through all the different settings here for sleep, activity. It's really nice. Stress level, stress management, vital signs. I think that's really nice to have. If I tap on sleep here, it gives you information regarding your sleeping habit, which is really nice. The whole breakdown. Then if I go to activity, it gives you the details regarding your activity for the day. Again, really nice. Now stress management or stress monitoring, same details. Look at the breakdowns. Heart rate monitoring. Again, nice detail regarding your heart rate. Now, regarding sleep apnea, if I tap here, you can see how the score was actually recorded. It gives you all the information there, which is really nice. Now, of course, when I'm ready to do so again, right before sleeping, just hit start. Then when I wake up in the morning, you slide to stop it. Actually, I can start it right here. And it's going to tell you that it's monitoring to stop. It's very easy. Then tap in. That completes it. Here you can create your own depending on what activity you're going to be doing. Let's say I want to do outdoor cycling. Tap here. And it says to record your full exercise route, please set location. So you have to give it permissions for the location, and you can begin tracking your outdoor or cycling activity, depending on which one you choose. So very flexible app, a ton of features and options at no cost. Now I'm going to talk about battery life. As you can see here, 79%, 8 days remaining. I think that the battery life on this is going to be quite impressive, but I am looking forward to fully testing this out. And again, you can get between 10 to 12 days on a single charge for the Ring. And then with the included case, 150 days. Quite impressive. Now you're even able to place the Ring in airplane mode. So if I tap here, it tells you turn it on airplane mode, but turn off Bluetooth of the Ring and stop data transfer. If you need to turn off the Ring airplane mode, place the Ring in a charging case and then press the button to turn off the airplane mode, which is that button right there. Now this is quite interesting. Under airplane mode, the Ring will continue to acquire data. However, to ensure the data is uploaded in its entirety, exit the Ring airplane mode within 7 days. Data will be lost if it exceeds 7 days. Now, when it comes to sizing, make sure you go through the process with the kit to measure the thickest part of your finger. And it states to do this at night, as your body seems to be more swollen during the daytime than at night before going to bed. And this is the area that you want to measure. I also wanted to mention, when you place the Ring in the case for charging, as you see, that was magnetic. So it's going to hold it. It's not going to fall out, and it keeps it in place really nice. So that's definitely a plus. I am quite impressed with this Ring so far. I definitely think it is a game changer. So many features built into it at a lower cost with no subscription. Now, if you're interested in the RingConn Gen 2 Smart Ring, in the description section of my video. But that completes my unboxing and honest review for the RingConn Gen 2 Smart Ring.